Привіт-привіт, my dear friends. My name is Ina and welcome to my YouTube channel Speak Ukrainian. In this video, I would like to share with you two great updates in my project. So first of all, me and my team at Speak Ukrainian School would like to announce you that we start teaching kids beautiful Ukrainian language. I have received many requests from you like, Ina, I'm Ukrainian, my husband is American, and we want our kids to start speaking Ukrainian language because here in Ukraine they have relatives, grandparents, aunts, uncles, cousins, and we want them to be able to communicate with them in Ukrainian language. And for us it is important that our kids can grow in American Ukrainian culture. And I said, I'm sorry, but right now I'm not able to help you because I don't have enough experience in teaching kids, and unfortunately there weren't any learning materials for teaching Ukrainian language for kids. And I thought about it a lot, and recently I hired Ukrainian teachers who have a philology degree and a big experience in teaching kids. So we together started to work on creating the program for teaching Ukrainian language as the foreign one for kids. And we started to write a plan how to teach Ukrainian phonetics, alphabet to kids, and also it is very important to create a lot of different interactive learning materials like games, quizzes, presentations, and to read Ukrainian kids' poems and fairy tales in Ukrainian. I think it should be very interesting for kids. So if you have a kid and your kid is approximately at the age of 6 and higher, or a teen, we can teach him or her Ukrainian language. So it is important that your kid has already entered a school, for example, in America, and can read in his or her native language. Then it will be easier to start learning a new foreign language. So we can help you. We are super motivated to teach kids beautiful Ukrainian language. So you can take a trial lesson, and you can be present with your kid at this lesson, and you can get acquainted with our teacher, and she will tell you how this magic of learning beautiful Ukrainian language will happen at the lessons. So I'm super excited about it. So if you are interested, please write on our email, and we will be happy to answer all your questions. The second news. So as you know, I have a project Buy T-shirt Save Ukrainian Life, and today is the 4th of May, and at this date I have already collected more than $7,000, and I'm super happy about that, guys. You are incredible. Thank you so much for helping people in the occupied Kherson, and it is still under control of Russian troops, and there is a big humanitarian crisis, and people still need food and medicine, so I continue to help them. So yesterday I posted on my website kids tees and hoodies with a different beautiful design of Ukrainian symbols. So please check out my online charity store, and all money collected from the sales of Ukrainian kids tees and hoodies will be sent to orphans houses in Kherson and its regions. There are a lot of kids who don't have parents. They are alone there, and unfortunately government couldn't help them to flee, so they stay there. So I want to help them a lot, and I have contacts of the director of that organization, so I will be so happy if you help me to share your friends, relatives about my project. Thank you so much. Дуже дякую. So guys, if you want to learn Ukrainian language, you can also check out my website speakua.com. There you can find lots of very useful learning materials like flashcards, textbooks, courses, free learning materials. Please, I do everything to help you to learn my beautiful language. Дуже дякую. Thank you so much. Побачимось скоро. See you soon. І слава Україні!